Hello everyone, welcome to Kyofi's Kitchen. Today I'm unboxing Olsen Mark electric oven. This is the outer packaging of the Olsen Mark oven. This is the model number of this oven. Usually we'll get 20 to 60 liters oven. This is 45-liter oven. This is a 45-liter Olsen Mark electric oven, and these are the accessories. This is how it looks from the outside, and from inside without any accessories it is like this. And you can find two heating elements at the bottom and top. These are the dials. So this is called element sector, temperature sector and operation sector, and this is a timer. So I'll explain you one by one. This is convection. Convection is used fans, so these fans will help you to circulate the hot air throughout the oven. This socket is for fixing the rotisserie set, so you can find here one more socket, drive socket, that is for to rotate the rotisserie set. So this is how you can fix the rotisserie set to the drive socket and to the other end like this. Now let's see about the rotisserie and convection dial. We can find at in the top. There you can find the rotate one is in the off mode, and this is for convection, and this is rotisserie. Here we can find in the bottom there is a rotisserie and convection mode. This is baking rack, so used for baking or for the grilling. Here dials can be used for baking, bottom heating, and for the grill, top and bottom heating. This is a baking pan. You can use it for baking purpose. So the dials you can use according to your recipe. These are the four dials. Here in the left hand side you can see there is a dotted line, so that is for in the off mode. So after using you need to keep in the off mode. This is a tray handle. After baking and grilling you can use to remove the baking pan and baking tray. So this is a rotisserie handle. So after using rotisserie set you can use this handle. This is all about the Olsen Mark electric oven. So this is very useful in the kitchen. Temperature setting may vary from oven to oven and recipe as well. So you need to give a one or two trials so that you'll get to know at what temperature you can bake and grill. If you are looking for baking and grilling, this is the good choice. In this you can preheat the oven. Once you set the timer, the indicator light will on. Once the grilling and baking is done, the indicator light will off. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and share and subscribe to my channel. For the future videos, please press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.